Hi everybody, this is Ivan Rojas, and today we are going to show you how to install Magento 2.4 on cpanel with cpanel. Okay, so the first thing we have to do are we need to check the system requirements. Okay, this is the official website Adobe where you have to check. So PHP 8.1, this is the version that we're going to install. MySQL or MariaDB, at least those are the minimum requirements. Elasticsearch, you have to. Composer, right? Okay, so when you use cpanel with a provider that already have these requirements met, okay? So as soon as you receive your credentials, we're going to install in this domain just for these testing purposes. The first thing we have to do is, well, to check the version. For example, we're going to check that we have PHP 8.1. Okay, so that's all we need. And the rest is already done, so you don't have to do anything. Okay. Why I'm here? Well, just to check the latest release. This is October 2022, and this is the latest version. Okay, so I guess that's it for now. We are going to install. Okay, so we don't need this anymore. Obviously, all these extensions, the server already have it. Okay, so everything is done for you, so that will be really easy actually to install. Okay, so what I have done before doing this is delete everything. Okay, so we don't have nothing in this folder, and we also don't have nothing on for our PHP database. However, this is my database. I don't have any table. However, we already create the database. It doesn't have any information, and we have the user here. Okay, perfect. We are ready to install. To do that, from now on, let's do something. We go into Adobe again to see how we can install this, and you can skip most of those. Those are when you have your own VPS, right? So forget it. You don't have to take care of the system owner because cpanel takes care of it. Okay, all this. Well, we need this. Okay, we need this command. Okay, I'm not here. Okay, so this is for open source and this is for Adobe Commerce. Okay, so we're going to copy this and we are going to run that command. In order to do that, we need access to the terminal. All right, so where are you? We're going to install. We need to go into the public HTML because that's where the folder is. Okay, so we just paste the information that we have. Oh, and something is going on. Oh, I made a mistake. We need to delete. This is in case you need to put it in a specific folder. Okay, so let's wait a little. Look at the version 2.4.5 P1. Okay, it will take a couple of minutes. You can just skip this part, but let's wait. I'm gonna pause better. Okay, it was 10 more seconds. Okay, so now we need to continue. Okay, we already ran this command. Okay, what happens? Okay, if you reload this, you will see all the files here. Okay, Perfect. Now we need to continue. Okay, so actually you can skip all of this. Okay, you don't have to do anything. Here we go. We need to run this command with everything Elasticsearch and blah blah blah. What I have done is that I'm going to use this. Okay, just the minimum. So copy. Let me explain something. This is the database in localhost. That means in the same server, right? And the database name, the database user, the password. Well, this is my name and my email. And this is the user I'm going to use for this video. Password, language, currency, and this is the time zone. And that's it. That's all we have to do. Okay, so let's copy it. Whoops. Okay, I already have it. Oh, let's move. Let's go back here. And we're going to run this. Oh, I'm sorry. I need to move. Okay. Going to move this to public HTML. Because we don't want to install this in this folder, right? I don't think you want that. We're going to install in the root folder. Okay, so let's do it again. Okay, so now I'm gonna pause this. It's gonna take, I don't know, but you can pause. Okay, it was like 15 seconds. Okay, so really easy. It's done. It's done according to this. So if we go to the website, it should work. We don't need this anymore. We don't need anything, any of this. Okay, so let's see what it's doing. I don't know why it's going to apache. I don't know what is this. But anyway, it's already installed. The first time, I mean, it was really slow, right? Really slow. But it's working. It's working fine. Okay. Contact us. Yeah, you can create an account just for testing. Okay. That was really easy. Now, something else you need to do. You need to check your database that was, here we go. Here's the database and all the tables are there. And as you can see, we have 250 tables over here, plus, whoa, plus 122. That's the amount of tables that you have to have. 250 plus 144, 394 tables for this version. As you can see here, the admin URL is this one. So we can log in here. Just copy and we can paste it here. Oh, sorry. Here we go. Oops. Okay, my mistake. CL/. This is a new store. Okay, so my user was 123 something, right? Test, and then admin 123. So that's it. It's working. And now we need to disable the two-factor authentication. This is really easy. Okay, I'm gonna show you here. You can just run this command. Okay, Magento two-factor authentication. Okay, so we can skip this part. You can do it later. Okay, so let's refresh this page. Okay, it should work. Okay, excellent. And we can test, let's move this over here. For now, don't allow anything. I just wanted to show you the version 2.45p1. What? Okay, so that's it. Really easy, right? So in case you need hosting, a hosting provider with a server that have all the requirements for Magento 2, actually any version, if you just want to move your Magento, even if it is 1.9, you can do it, okay? And we have different servers for Magento 2.2, 2.3, and 2.4, like this one. Okay, so that's it. I hope it will help you install this wonderful software. Magento is one of the best top software in the world for e-commerce, and it's free, 100% free. All right, see you. Bye bye.